to Chef Dog. Today, we've got, these are delicious. They're called chicken melts from Costco. And we discovered these about a week ago. And if you can tell from the container, we've been pounding them. They are delicious. And they take about a minute to make. And that is all. So we're going to show you just how to do that. Come wrapped. Simple ingredients. It's chicken with cheese in a pocket. You take that, you wrap it, you put it in the microwave, and you wait for about 1 minute. And while we're waiting, just so you know, again, if you like protein, 11 grams of protein, 160 calories total, and they are delicious. Now with mine, I also put them with, I'm going to use a little bit of mustard because I love mustard. It's delicious. That's totally up to you. We'll be back in just a sec. Okay, here we go. That was 1 minute exactly, and that's what she comes out looking like. Smells delicious. It's a little warm, so you got to let it cool down. But again, like I said, I'm going to put a little bit of mustard on mine. You don't have to. Give a little flavor. Now I've made two already. I have another one right here that isn't as hot. And I've got a guest, one of my brothers. This is Tori Savage. He's a fan of this channel. And so, hey, we thought we'd bring him in. Say hi. This is Tori.
Hey.
My buddy Tori. So
Thanks
Tori,
for having me.
yeah, we're glad to have you, Tori.
Yeah.
I want you to take a sample of that bad boy there.
All right.
He likes to eat. We all like to eat. And here you go. It's his first time trying one.
Simple.
It's as simple as they come. What do you think?
That's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it better than you thought?
Let's put some more in.
Let's put some more in. Is it now better than you thought? About what you thought?
It's better.
It's actually
the
better.
Chicken's
than,
actually more tender and juicy than I thought.
Yeah, I'm with you. I was impressed. I thought this would look like a kid's meal, but I've been pounding them. They are delicious.
A little more mustard.
Yeah, put more mustard on there. But anyway,
I'll definitely have thumbs up.
all right, so thumbs up. Well, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dog. And I think they're like $10.99.
11 bucks.
11 bucks right now at Costco. Just discovered them. Never seen them before. Close us out.
You gotta like the channel. Like it. Hit the little reminder to make sure you get the notifications. Follow Chef Dog.
Share it. Yep. Hey, thanks for watching Chef Dog. See you later. Nice.